The power of the fist. What is the fist? The fist is strength, unity, justice, honor, power, teamwork, working together to achieve a goal. Man, what can this fist do? This fist can do some massive destruction. This fist can do massive good. This fist can all together be the most powerful being on the planet. However, individuals fail. Think about this as a team. When teams work together, we'll say hockey teams. When hockey teams work together, they're passing the puck around. They're locked in. They're exiting the zone together. They're entering the zone together. They're a five-man unit. They're working together as a team. Nearly unbeatable. However, as individuals doing their own thing, they fail. Now, example I give a lot of times is being in martial arts, do a lot of board breaking. Now, if I went to hit a board with all my fingers apart like this, I'm gonna break each one of them. However, together, strength, unity, power. And that's what a team needs to be. Working together as one cohesive unit, all having the same goal, all on the same page, all committed to success. Individuals fail. Individuals are doing their own thing. In life, in business, in sports, if you're part of a team, you need to make sure that team is locked in. If you're a team leader, you need to make sure your team knows your vision, knows your mission, knows your goals, know what the heck they're doing. They're not just there wasting time. Because if they're wasting time, before you know it, this thumb's out here doing its own thing. Then this finger's out here doing its own thing. Then this finger, and then all the fingers are all doing their own thing. You no longer you don't have a team anymore. Now you got a bunch of individuals. And what was once strong, powerful, working together, had success, is now individuals failing. The power of the fist. We've got to work together as a team. Be the team. Be who you were born to be. Work together with a unit, and I promise you're going to have success. Now think about that. The next time you start to feel that fist come apart, that team starts separating, as the leader, I can say the thumb's the leader, you need to bring them all back in. Get that fist united again. So now you got the strength, now you got the power, and that's what leads to success. Individuals fail. Teams win. Teams succeed. Teams become champions. Be a team. Be a fist. The power, strength, and unity